Amber Heard has been accused of injuring numerous ex-boyfriends. Thus, it is quite probable that Johnny Depp is not the only person that she has allegedly victimized. During the recent defamation trial in which her ex-husband, Johnny Depp, was involved in, a video of Amber Heard being accused of domestic violence by her ex-partner, Tasha van Ree, became public. The trial against Johnny Depp was for slander. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at Amber Heard's girlfriend mistakenly exposing Amber's shady ways. Yeah, you heard it right. Amber Heard was the target of Tasha van Ree's affection. Van Ree is a Hawaiian painter and photographer. Heard is a performer. Prior to 2008, when the United States made same-sex marriage illegal, the pair had been living together under the rules of a domestic partnership. The video, which has gained more than 130,000 views, contains her description of the incident that occurred on August 13th, 2016. She has been overheard identifying herself as Amber van Ree, and she believed that she's married to a 45-year-old woman named Van Ree. It is unknown whether the controversial material was presented during the death-related investigations trial section in the same year that the actress filed for divorce from Depp. The allegation that Van Ree abused the actress throughout their relationship has been rejected by all parties. During her 2016 testimony, Heard was questioned about whether or not she had been arrested for domestic violence against Van Ree in the past. The disputed incident centered on Van Ree. The interaction that she had with her girlfriend in an airport in 2009 was the impetus for initiating the investigation. According to a 2016 USA Today article, she was subsequently arrested after allegedly striking Van Ree in the arm. After some time had elapsed, she reprinted a statement in which she asserted that the facts had been misconstrued and that she had been falsely accused. Van Ree claimed in a statement, "I recall evidence of misogynistic sentiments towards us. When they understood that we were domestic partners and not just friends, their behavior became homophobic. I have the highest regard for Amber since she is a beautiful, clever, and trustworthy woman." This is the position of the news source. It is regrettable that Amber's account and veracity are once again being questioned. We shared 5 amazing years together and remain close to this day. On September 14th, 2009, a warrant for Heard's arrest was issued, and she was taken into custody at the Port of Seattle. In 2016, authorities at the Seattle-Tacoma International Airport in Washington confirmed to USA Today that they were initiating an inquiry into the incident. In November 2011, however, the probe was sent to the appropriate authorities. The petitions made reference to a clause in Washington state law that upon request authorizes the removal of non-conviction related data. This section was referenced in order to delete arrest information and records associated with an incident that did not result in a conviction or other negative disposition for the individual, as well as any other records associated with such incidents. People's concerns have not yet been allayed, despite the fact that the content in question has been removed from the database. Why does it appear as though Amber is constantly arguing with her family? Amber Heard, according to sources close to the A-list actress, has denied being aggressive towards her partners and admitted to having done so in self-defense or in response to their provocation. However, the actress said that she did so when provoked by her partners. Heard has replied to the allegations of domestic abuse by denying their truth and claimed the Depp staff concocted them to tarnish her public image. "I have never been in a romantic relationship." She told the judge that she had never assaulted Mr. Depp or anyone else with whom she had a personal relationship with. According to the BBC, the woman disclosed that she had been involved in a series of confrontations, which she believed were retaliatory and occurred after she had gone years without defending herself. She asserted that the conflicts arose after she had gone years without defending herself. In addition to being accused of treating her colleagues with disdain, Amber Heard has also been accused of treating exes with hostility. The former personal assistant for Heard has accused the actor of plagiarizing and rewriting the victim's experience of being a victim of domestic violence. These charges were made by a former employee of the woman in question. Certain witnesses at the trial launched by Heard against Depp testified outside of Los Angeles. According to Kate Chang, she received an avalanche of incoherent text messages between 2 and 4 in the morning from an unidentified individual or group. Is it feasible that Amber Heard is as guilty as she appears, or has Johnny Depp's unrelenting campaign against Amber swayed the attitudes of social media users? Consider what other Twitter users who follow you have to say. This person asserts that Amber Heard's parents do not support their daughter. Her close friends and exes have come out to claim that she abused them in the past. Ex-girlfriends of Johnny Depp have stepped down in his defense. No was safeguarded by security guards and medical staff members who were part of his entourage. Another admirer who does not believe Amber and believes that she provoked the conflict, according to her, Amber Heard is a despicable person. she seemed to be experiencing hallucinations. Johnny Depp, her sister, and her mother are her business partners. It would be inaccurate to imply that she represents all women. Another Twitter user who disagreed with Amber's claims is as follows. For Amber Heard, she admits to mistreating Johnny Depp while attempting to present herself as the victim of the scenario. A preponderance of evidence led to her as the culprit, and she has a history of violence against her past partners in addition to being genderless. She brought this upon herself and is now paying the price. However, the internet is famously argumentative, so it is not a surprise that Amber Heard defended herself on Twitter given the internet's reputation. So that's all from today's video. If you enjoyed it, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so that you never miss our upcoming videos. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next video.